Okay, I thought I'd stay inside and try it this time. As Doug's out there. It's kind of, boy, I tell you what, we got a huge, huge drift. How cool is that? Thank God for bobcats. I do think that drift right there, compared to the bobcat, I think it is. But, well, it could be taller than me. Huh. Yeah, this is exciting stuff. Here's Bucket. Say hi, Bucket. Yeah, I don't... Oh, man, look at that. I can't believe he's got to go to work today. Okay, this is probably as exciting as it's going to get. I'll have to see if I'm going to put this out on YouTube. This could be, like, really boring. Not sure. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Breaking through that one. That's all for now. More later. Bye.